Hi there guys, in this tutorial you're gonna learn how to change the sky of your game. So here you can see my game has partly cloudy sky. If you don't like that sky, you can change the sky of your game. You can do it by going to your home menu tab, click on Toolbox. In the marketplace or the creator store, you can search for Skybox. Hit enter. And now you can select the sky that you want for your game. How about we choose the sunless blue sky skybox? So I'm gonna click on that. And you can see the new sky has been added to the lighting service of my game. So now I have blue sky. Or if you don't like that, you can just remove it and pick a different sky. How about this one? And there it is. We can close this toolbox now, and now let's go test our game. You can see we have a different sky in our game. And guys, that is how you change the sky of your games.